So we stopped in here at the barangay and doing a little quick barangay visit, working on some uh, documentation, and we were just informed that they changed the procedure today. So this is a quick stop here, and then we got to go down to Morong proper and complete this whole thing. Um, as of yesterday, we should have gone here. Today, we're going somewhere else apparently. So um, it's interesting how things are here.
Like this.
Can't see that, but yeah, you've written Waterhaven.
Yeah, B&B, bed and breakfast. It stands for bed and breakfast.
Okay. Then you will go to
Oh, and I've got.
Barangay
I need to.
signature. Your signature.
So you're saying they simplified the method to get your license,
Business will be more easier.
right?
Yes, because one-stop shop meaning all the agency, government agency you need are older at
Inside
Yes.
Inside the big building.
Cover court. Cover court. That
Co-
is a big cover court.
Yeah.
Yes. Next, in front of the municipal hall.
Is it the basketball?
Yes, right.
Okay, yeah, because I saw some activity there yesterday. All right. Now, let me ask you, does he have to do it, or can he send me so I can run for him?
I've signed it.
Or does he?
Today's first day, both of you will go there.
Okay.
So
All right.
we'll be able to know what is the procedure.
All right. Okay.
Bring your own pen, it said.
Yes, please bring your own
Come
ball
on,
pen.
come on, come on.
You have your own ball pen?
There you go.
Okay.
That's your ball pen.
Okay.
You lent
All right.
it to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, love. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Right.
Where did my mask go? Oh, here it is.
In your hand.
Um,
Okay, so we walk back and we got to go to the other place then.
yeah.
This is great.
All right. So we did.
Absolutely diddly squat.
Well, we did something. We got informed that
We're in the wrong place.
we're
As
in the
of
wrong
today,
place.
we're in the wrong place.
Yeah. Now, one-stop shop. Whether that means it's easier, I don't know. But let's go and
Are
see.
you serious?
Let's go and find out.
Oh, the little letters are all falling down.
Yeah.
That's a shame. Anyway,
Yeah, that's a shame. It's just.
this is a school.
So this is a school back here.
Yep.
Are they doing schooling or are they doing
Well, they're
homeschool?
actually quite good at this. They're doing, I was going to say online school.
All right.
Online school the old-fashioned way. People turn up, pick up the paperwork that they're supposed to be working through on their class assignments and go home and do it.
All right.
And then it's brought back.
Right.
So, because you better believe people having PCs and laptops here is not that many. No, it's nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
it is pretty cool architecture. Very cool. Oh, you said your grandfather built it or your father? Godfather, godmother.
Clever man.
Clever. All right.
This is what's going on the roof.
Oh.
Like a nipper.
Okay. That's a little different from what you had before, right?
Yeah, I had like grass, but that is actually physically nipper.
Right.
I think it's a generalisation nipper.
Right.
In fact, I'm bloody sure it is.
Right.
Who have we got here? Birds or somebody? Anyway, that was a bit of a lead balloon, wasn't it?
Yeah.
No, well, like you say, it's all going to be a learning curve, isn't it?
we'll get it done, man.
We've started. We've put pen to paper.
Right.
See, they did all of this. Look, wonderful.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
Made it all. Really is. Sea of Galilee. And everything. We can go back up the jungle path.
Yeah.
What do you think? Davey! Hey man! That's quite a bit of pain in the ass just to give up. You know,
you're famous, and I hope for the right reason.
Definitely for the right reason. I've kept these fuckers going, mate. Handing out 100 or 200 here when I've only got 300. Hey man.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let's grab something here. What do you got? What do you got for food? Oh, there you go. Give me one of those with rice, or maybe.
How many rice?
I don't want anything.
I don't know how much money I got with me.
I got money.
Because Janice said she wanted some food.
Okay, we'll get Janice some food then.
Right?
It all looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's fresh.
You've got to stop doing that, mate.
All right, give me one of these and one of these. What do we got here?
And some
No.
rice. Two rice.
And 2 rice, and then that'd be it. How much?
200.
200. Okay, do you have 100 on you?
No, I've got 500.
Anak, papalit nga ako. Oo? Papalit. Papalit mo.
Plastic transparent cups. It's made in a ball with a light in it. And
Right.
some other junk tied to it. And I'll tell you what, it's really nice. Well, I think it is.
Yeah. No,
Because they make these decorations.
artistic creativity.
And they haven't cost them anything. They've collected all of this and recycled it or
Right.
repurposed it.
Repurposed everything, yeah. Yeah, it's
That's really good.
pretty cool. Very cool. I mean, look at this. Pretty cool little thing. How to do everything with. Let me see if I can get it in there. Oh, there you go. It's really cool how they did this, and the arches, mainly bamboo, and painted Christmas decorations. All right, still waiting for our food here. I guess we're waiting for change now, right? Change.
Now we've got change.
Ah, waiting for the rice. All right. All right.
Hello, Sir Dave.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm alive. This is a bonus.
Right. All right. Yeah, look at all these things. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you eat.
Symbolizes. Oh, and it's made out of plastic cups. I didn't realize that and painted. That's pretty cool, actually. Wow. They put a lot of effort in here.
Look at this one.
Yeah, yeah. You go inside it, and it's full of plastic cups. Very interesting. And it's time consuming to make it too. It's just not. And that one's falling apart. Little sorry stores, a little bit of everything.
We're safe.
And here's the river.
No, there was a load of fish there a minute ago.
Oh yeah, I see them. You see it? Small little fish down there. Right underneath the tree.
Yeah, in the shade. Relaxing.
Yeah. Oi. All right, Turok 2. All right. Okay, so let's walk back home, and that's Dave,
Hey, hi.
and that's me. Thank you for watching. God bless. We'll see you soon again.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye now.